Welcome to the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. In today's video, I am going to share with you an unboxing of this food vacuum sealer that I brought and a pernil recipe you don't want to miss. Today's video is part of a monthly collaboration that happens every first Wednesday of the month, hosted by Clarissa over at Sunny in the Suburbs. Her channel is all about homeschooling, hauls, organizations, recipes, and so much more. Please make sure to check out Clarissa's channel as well as the playlist. All of the links will be down in the description box. This video is also part of my Thankvember vlog series, where each day I share something that I am grateful for. And so in this video, I am grateful for kitchen gadgets like this food vacuum sealer that I purchased at Walmart. This is definitely a game changer for any kitchen. It helps you to minimize food waste, especially when you buy or go food shopping in bulk. This will allow you to save your meats and any other dry foods that you need. And so I am glad and happy that I made this purchase. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, do not forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to whenever I upload a new video. So now I'm gonna get ready to vacuum seal my first food item, which is a pork shoulder butt that I purchased over at Costco. The package had 2 in 1. I only need 1 pernil, so I have to save the other one for another day. Once again, don't forget to check out Clarissa's channel over at Sunny in the Suburbs and the rest of the playlist. The links will be found in the description box. I absolutely love this food vacuum sealer. I am so grateful that I purchased this. It will help me to save on some of the foods that I buy in bulk. So now with the second pernil, I am going to go ahead and season this. Another thing that I love about buying this at Costco is that they debone it and they also take off all of the excess fat, which is the cuero. Now that is, my husband's not happy because that's something that he loves when I make pernil, but because we're watching our cholesterol levels and pork is not really a good meat when you have high cholesterol, but I purchased it, so here I am making it. But at least they have removed as much fat as possible. I'm going to slow cook this in the oven at 300 degrees for 6 hours. The first 3 hours, I am going to let it roast with the lid on, and then the last 3 hours with the lid off. And this is the finished product. Look how delicious this pernil is. I am ready to tear in. Look at all that, those au jus. Look at all that juiciness. Ooh, child, look at how soft that is. Get in there. And this is what cooking with love and serving with joy is all about. Traditionally, we serve this up with some arroz con gandule, but we're really watching our carbs. And so I opted to serve it up with some yuca and some pickled onions. This totally hit the spot. So delicious. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.